Good evening all. So today we are going to discuss Ssc Mts grant test number 67. Grant test number 67. Here first question. A 2-digit number is such that the product of the two digits is 18. You go for all options. Each and every option product is 18 only. When 27 is subtracted from the given number, if you subtract 27 from the given number, then what happens? 36. The digits are reversed. The first option is satisfied. Your answer is what? Option 1. Second question. The following figure, AB is parallel to DE and C is a point on AE such that CD is equal to 54 degrees. The angle BAC is equal to 42 degrees and measure of angle ACD. See here all of you. So these two are parallel lines. We know very well parallel line transversal theorem. All of it clear. So AB and D are parallel lines. Then AE is a transversal line. Then according to parallel line transversal theorem, alternative angles are equal. Therefore this is 42. This is also 42. 42, 54. Your answer is 96. They are asking this one. So we know very well exterior angle of a triangle will be equivalent to sum of opposite interior angles. Otherwise 54 plus 42, 96. The remaining angle is 80. This is right angle. So this is 84. This is alagurte. Theorem good to start. So finally your answer is what? 96. Shall I go for the next question? PQR are the three boxes containing fruit. So 2 by 5 is to 2.5 is to 9 by 10. And the total number of fruits is 190. If 20 fruits are transferred from Q to P and 10 fruits are transferred from R to P, then find the new ratio of fruits. So 2 by 5, this one you can write as 5 by 2. Yes or no? Then LCM is what? 2 by 5, 5 by 2, 9 by 10. Denominator's LCM is what? 10. Multiply each term with 10. So 2 by 5 into 10, 4. Next, 5 by 2 into 10, 25. 9 by 10 into 10. Total how many parts? 38 parts. 38 parts nothing but each part is 4 5s are 25 5s are 9 5s are. This is P, this is Q, this is. Now 20 fruits are transferred from Q to P. For Q that is minus 20, for P that is plus 20. 10 fruits are transferred from R. For R minus 10 plus P. So total it is what? Here total it is. Then cancel with 5 table. 5 10s are 5 25 10s, 5 7s are. Your answer is 21 kada? Yes, 21. So 21 is there. 10 is to 21 is to 7. So 5 10s are 5 21 times 5 7s are. Shall I go for the next question? A man took a loan of 8,000 from his friend on January 1st, 2023 with a condition that he will pay accrued simple interest at the rate of 8.15% and when the interest is such as 140 rupees, at which date does the loan get clear? So interest is how much? Principal is how much? Rate of interest is how much? So they are asking simply time period. Time. So they took the loan on January 1st. So when he cleared that loan, so we know principal, we know rate of interest, we know interest. 140 is interest. 140 is interest. That is how much percentage? 8.75%. 8.75% is how much? 140. Are you clear? Then here, this is for 1 year. 8.75 is what? 1 year interest. 8.75 is what? 1 year interest. So 1 year interest is on 8,000, but we need only for 140. First of all, see that 140 is how much percent of 8,000? That 140 is how much percent of 8,000? Are you clear? Or 8.75 percentage of 8,000 is how much? 8% is nothing but how much? Tell me. 1% is nothing but 80. 8% is nothing but 640. Next to 0.75 na. 1% is 80. Half percentage is 40. 0.25% is 20. That is nothing but 60. 60 plus 640, 700. 8.75% is nothing but how much, Anna? 700. This 700 is 1 year interest. This 700 is how many years interest? But we got how much? 140. So 140 is how much part? 1/5 part na? 1/5 part na? Therefore time period is 1/5 of the year. 1/5 of the year is nothing but 73 days na? In a year 365 days are there. 73 5 times 365. 75 times 350, 3 5 is 15, 15 plus 350, 365. Exactly 1/5. Number of days are 73. Starting date is what? January 1st. From January 1st onwards, 73 days. It's not possible January. It's not possible to get May. It's not possible to get April. Definitely March. అంతేగాని యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ కూర్చోకూడదు. జనవరిలో 31 డేస్ ఉంటాయి, ఫెబ్రవరిలో 28 ఉంటాయి అని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయకూడదు. ఓకేనా? సో యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ వాట్? March 14, 2023. Are you clear? Next, simplification they given, not visible. Is it visible now? Okay, no problem. See here, p value is how much now? P value is 3. First of all, I have to conclude the bar under bar. So 2p plus, this is 2p plus p now. 2p plus p is nothing but 3p. 4p minus 3p, p. This value is p. Now this is 3p now. 3p is nothing but 9 now. 3p is nothing but what? P is nothing but 3 na. 3p is nothing but 9. Now see here, 72p. 72 into 3/8. 8 how many times? 9 times. 9 times. 9 3s are 20. 27 plus 30, 36. Here p is there na. Minus p na. Minus p is nothing but 3 na. 33. This entire value is how much? 33. Plus 15p is also there na. Plus 15p is also there na. That is 45. Now here, check this one. 36p. 36p is nothing but 108 na. 36p 108 minus 24p 72 into 1/8 plus 2p. 2p is nothing but 6. 8 1s are 8. 9s are. Now see here, this entire value is 105 na. 6 minus 9 is nothing but minus 3. 105. 7 is there na. 105 by 7, 15. 15. Are you clear na? So 15. Total value is what? 15. But 45 you have to add later. Okay na? That is out of the bracket. First of all, you have to conclude inside the bracket. Now see here. So 15, here 15, here it is how much? 33. 15 plus 33, 48. Now 192, p square is nothing but 9 na, by 48. So 48 how many times? 4 times na. 4 9s are 36 na. 36 plus 45. Your answer is 81. Why you are not adding initially 45? That is out of bracket. First of all, you have to conclude inside the bracket. Are you clear? Shall I go for the next question? So whenever they are asking this type of questions, so don't take the entire equation. So try to solve parts wise, and then after getting the answers, then add parts or subtract parts. Next. A cylindrical drum is open its top and made from it, made of iron, whose height is 3.5 meters, and cost of painting the drum per square meter is 225, and total cost is 8316. Find the volume of iron used for making it. See here, that is a cylindrical drum. They are asking volume na. That is always involved with pi na. Whenever pi related questions are there, you have to try with 11. See here, 2 2 2 2 4 1 6 1 5 6. Is it possible? 2 4 6. Is it possible? 2 5 1 6. Yes, possibility is there. 2 0 2 0 5 5. Is it possible? The answer is 3. Next question. See here, the data regarding the donations collected by the TCS, Wipro, Infosys, and Accenture of a company for a charitable trust is shown in the given pie chart. So the total number of employees is what? 70. We don't bother about the number of employees. What is the central angle? Total angle is 360 degrees na. So we need central angle. Infosys and Accenture. That is last two na. That is nothing but 43% na. 43%. So we know very well 100% is 360 degrees. 100% is what? 360 degrees. 40% is nothing but 144 degrees na. 10% is 36. 40% is nothing but 144 degrees na. 3%. 3% is nothing but 10.8 degrees na. 1% is 3.6. 3% is 10.8 na. Together is 154. Your answer is 154.8. So together is 43%. 100% is 360 degrees. Then 43% is how many degrees? Next. The speed of two trains P and Q is x plus 6 km per hour, 2x minus 6 km per hour, and distance between A and B is 293 kilometers. And P starts from point A and 8 am towards point B, and train Q starts from point B at 9 am towards point A. If they meet at 9 am, so 11 am, then find the speed of Q. See here, P speed is they given and the Q speed they given. The distance between them is 293 kilometers. P started at 8 am, Q started at 9 am, but it's not possible whenever they given different timings. First of all, you have to equate the timings. So timings different times same చేసుకోవాలి. Clear na? So total distance is 293 kilometers na. First of all, out of the 293 kilometers, you have to subtract, you have to move P train 1 hour first. P train speed is x plus 6. That x plus 6 is already covered. That is removed from 293. This is the remaining distance. Remaining distance is nothing but at 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, the distance between the two trains, not places, two trains. So at 9 o'clock, relative speed started because both the trains are in motion. Whenever both the trains are in motion in opposite direction, then relative speed is what? S1 plus S2 na? Opposite direction only na? Yes. So relative speed is what? 3x. Relative speed is what? 3x. X plus 6 plus 2x minus 6. 6 get cancelled, that is 3x. Time, how many hours na? 2 hours na? This relative speed started at 9 o'clock. They meet at 11 o'clock. 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, 2 hours only. So now we need to find out x value. Once we know x value, then we have to find out Q now. They're asking 2x minus 6. Now see here, Nana. 3x to 2, 6x. All of it clear, Nana. This is minus x na. Minus x comes to this side. Plus x, 7x. 293 minus 6. 280. Sorry. 6 na. 287. That is equal to 7x. Then x is equal to 40. But x is not your answer. Your answer is 2x minus 6. 2x is nothing but 82 minus 6. Your answer is 76. Relative speed start avali ante both the trains are in the motion at a time. If timings are different, you have to equate the timings. All of it clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? See here. Nana, this question is wrong. Some data is missing in this question. Some data is missing here. because question mark is there and M is there. Okay, na? Some data is missing in this question. Next question. See the next question, all of you. A is the remainder when each of 4, 1, 6, 1, 6, 5, 2, 8, 7, 5, 8, 0 is divided by the greatest number. B is the greatest number B, then value of B minus A is what? A is the remainder in each and every case. Whenever same remainder in each case, I already given one rule in LCM and HCF. The difference between the first two numbers, last two numbers, first and last number difference, then take HCF. That is the HCF is the B, and the remainder will be the A. After getting B and A, then we go for B minus A. See here, first two numbers difference. Tell me. So 6,000, 4,000. Difference is what, Anna? 2,000. 500, in 500. If you subtract 100, 400. But it's not possible to subtract 61. That is what? 300. 128 to 61. Difference is 128 to 61. 28 to 39. 60, 67, 2367. Now take difference of last two numbers. 7,500, 6,500, 1000, 80, 28, difference 52, 1000, 1052. Next first to last difference. 7,000, 4,000, 3,000, 7,000, 4,000, 3,000. Next to, so 580, 500, 400, 80, 16, 90. Clear na? We need to find out the HCF for these three numbers. So whenever you have to find out HCF, don't go for traditional method, bookies method. Take differences. First of all, arrange them in increasing order and take differences. See the difference? Here difference is how much? Difference 1312, 15, 1315. Next here difference 34 to 23. Whether 33, 23, 1000 na? 1000. Next to this is 119. This is 67. 119, 67. 33, 19. 33, 19 is 52 na? 1052. Now take again difference. Difference is how much? Difference 119, 33, 19, 42, 52. Yes. Difference is how much, Nana? 200 and 115 and 52 subtract 10. 60, 63, 263. HCF is 263. HCF is what? 263. మీరు కావాలంటే వెరిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి వెరిఫై చేసుకోండి. ఇది 9 times పోతుంది. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్ నానా? ఇది 4 times పోతుంది. క్లియర్నా? ఇది అప్రాక్సిమేట్గా 13 times పోతుందా? నాట్ 13 times. ఎస్ 13 times పోతుంది అప్రాక్సిమేట్గా. సో HCF is 263. HCF is what? B na? B is 263. But we need to find out A. A is nothing but remainder. You have to take any number because in each case we got same remainder na. Take any number. Take any number. I am going to take 4161. 41 divided it with 263. So how many times na? One time. 263. Remainder is what? 3, 11, 5, 153 na? 1531 na? 263 any times na? 7 times both na? 7 times. 6 times. 6 times ante enta? 18, 7, next to 12, 13. Difference is how much? 3, 5, 1, 153. So A value, remainder is 153 na? B value is 263, A value is 153. 153 na only. $153 na? Same na? 263, 1 is 263 na? Remainder is what? Remainder 3, 11, 6, 11, 6, 5. 4161. Next 6 3s are 18, 36, 37, 15. Yes, it's not possible. It's not possible of 1578. Then you have to go for 5 times. 5 times is nothing but what? 1000, 1315, 1315. Then see the difference. Difference is how much? 200 and 1500 and 300, 1300 and 200, 31, 15, 18. 18 only na? 16. 1500, 1300. Difference is 200. 16 kada? 216. So difference is what? 47. 47 is the right answer. Take any number. ఏ నెంబర్ తో చేసినా రిమైండర్ మాత్రం సేమే వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? మీరు ఒరిజినల్ మెథడ్ కింద హెచ్సిఎఫ్ చేస్తే ఈ సమ్ ఒకటి అయిపోయేసరికి ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోతుంది. అలా ఫిక్లేనా? ఎందుకంటే ఇంత పెద్ద నెంబర్స్ నువ్వు హెచ్సిఎఫ్ కనుక్కోవాలి, డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ సమ్ టైమ్ అన్న. దట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్ గో ఫర్ డిఫరెన్సెస్. షల్ ఐ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్? The percentage loss incurred by selling an article for A for 1141 is equal to the percentage of profit earned by an article A for 1659. The cost price of another article B is 42.6% more than article A. Then find the what should be the article B sold to make 25% profit. Okay. So whenever you are sell for 1141, the loss is equal to the whenever you are selling for 659 profit. Therefore, average value of this one is nothing but cost price na. 1141 కమ్మినప్పుడు సేల్ చేసినప్పుడు మీకు ఎంతైతే లాస్ వస్తుందో the same article is sold for 1659, that much profit you are getting. Therefore, cost price is nothing but average. Cost price is nothing but average of these two. 1100, 1600, 2700 na. 1100, 1600, 2700 na. 41, 59, 100, 2800. Average nothing but half, 1400. Cost price of A is how you are getting 1400, average of these two. Now cost price of B is 42 6/7 more. 42 6/7 is nothing but 3/7 na. 14 2/7 is nothing but 1/7. So 3/7 of 1400 is nothing but 600. That is nothing but how much? 2000. This is cost price of B. Cost price of, but they are not asking cost price of B. They are asking selling price of B. They are expecting how much profit? 25% is nothing but 1/4 na. 2 times half na. 1500. So 500 rupees profit. 500 rupees profit is nothing but total it is 2500. Your answer is 2500. Are you clear? Next question. The average price of a wheat per kg at 15 different places was 7.5. After 2 weeks, the price of the wheat per kg was increased by 30 paisa at 5 places and decreased by 15 paisa at 2 places. The new average price of the wheat per kg is what? General method చేద్దామా డైరెక్ట్ చేద్దామా? డైరెక్టా? వెరీ గుడ్. సర్కట్ చేయొద్దు. చూడు, ఒరిజినల్ యావరేజ్ is 7.5. ఒరిజినల్ యావరేజ్ is what? 7.5. Okay, no problem. Don't go for 15 into 7.5. Generally students are going like that. Don't go for like that. Wherever change is there, just see the change. 5 places 30 paisa na. That is increases na. 5 into 30 paisa. 5 into 30 paisa. 150 paisa. Increases is nothing but plus. 2 places 15 paisa na. 15 into 2. Decreases is nothing but minus 30. So net result is what? Net result is what? This 120 is net change na. The average is nothing but you have to consider all places na. How many places? 15 places nothing but how much paisa? 8 paisa. And the overall change is 8 paisa. So 8 plus 8 or minus 8? Plus 8. Plus 8 is the reason you have to add to 8 paisa to 750 paisa. Your answer is 758 paisa. If you go for original method, there is a circus. Like that 15 into 7.5 minus 5 into 30. If you go for like that, definitely it will take some time. Clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? Completed? Next. A copper wire, when bent in the form of a square, encloses an area of 1936 square centimeters. If the same wire is bent in the form of a circle, then find the area of the circle. Now look at it here, Nana. Whenever they given the word bent, perimeters are equal. Perimeters are equal. Whenever they given the word melt, areas are equal or volumes are equal. Remember this point. Whenever they given the word bent, B-E-N-T, bent, perimeters are equal. Why perimeters? With the help of same wire, say for example this is the length of wire. With the help of the same wire, I am going to frame a square and I cut that one, and same with the help of same wire I am going to frame a circle. But I am using the perimeter is same, na? The boundaries will be same, na? With the help of same wire, na? That is the reason perimeters are equal. Melt is nothing but completely we are going to demolish that one and framing another article. Volumes are equal. Remember this keyword. Keyword is very, very important. Now perimeters are equal, na? Initially which shape? Square shape. After then which shape? Circle shape. So this is this area is how much they given? 1936. Square area is nothing but a square, na? Then side is what? 44, na? Perimeters is nothing but 4a, na? 4a, na? This perimeter is nothing but 2 pi r, na? 2 pi r, na? R we have to find out. 44 get cancelled. R is equal to so we need pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 28 into 28. 7 how many times? 8 4 that's 2. 2 2 that's 4. End with 4 only one option. Are you ready? Eleven multiples చూద్దామంటే అన్ని ఆప్షన్స్ 11 మల్టిపుల్సే, అందుకని చూడలేదు. ఎవ్రీ టైం ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి సూటబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా నాన్న? ఆర్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ నాన్న? వెరీ గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఏ completes a piece of work in how many days? 8 days. Working for 6 hours a day. 8 into 6 hours and how many hours? 48 hours. I am converting all into hours. B completes 9 days. Working 6 hours 40 minutes. 6 hours 40 minutes అంటే 6 2 by 3 na? 6 hours 40 minutes is about 6 2 by 3. 6 2 by 3 you can write as 20 by 3. Yes or na? 20 by 3 into how many days? Into 9 na? 3 3s are 23s are 60. 60 48 LCM. 60 48 LCM 12 table. Smallest number goes 4 times. 4 times of 60 240. LCM is 240. LCM is what? 48 5s are 60 4s are. Now in how many days, in how many hours work in a day to complete the work together in 8 days? 8 days. See here, total work is 240 now. Total work is 240. How many days they are working? 8 days. And per day work is how much? Per day work is how much? 30. 1 hour they together do how many units? 1 hour. 1 hour how many units? 9 units. Then 30 units in how many hours? 3 3 3 1 by 3. 9 3s are 27. Remainder is 3. 3 by 9 is nothing but 1 by 3. So total 240 units in 8 days. 1 day 30 units. Together 1 hour work is 9. Then 30 units in how many hours? 3 1 by 3 hours. Are you clear, Nana? I am converting all those values into hours. Some are days, some are hours, na? I am converting entire units into hours. Are you ready? స్లోగా ఉన్నారు మీరు, నేనే స్లోగా చెప్తున్నాను. ఆర్ యూ రెడీ? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 15 ఓన్లీనా? నౌ సీ హియర్. See here. Here 3 tangents are there, na? Here how many tangents are there? 3 tangents are there. So for example, this is Px is one tangent, Qx is one tangent, Yz is also another tangent. All of you clear, Nana? Tangent is nothing but touches a circle and at single point. Now, If you observe carefully here, this is a circle now. This is circular not. If we draw n number of tangents for a particular circle, their lengths are equal. We know this property. For single circle, if we draw n number of tangents, then length of tangents are equal. Are you clear, Nana? Say for example, here I am going to take this is px tangent and this is qx tangent. Are you clear? Now this is a py is a small tangent now for the circle. Are you clear? This py is a small tangent. Are you clear? Say for example, this one I am going to take, this is some r. Ry is also a tangent now. Ry is also tangent or not? Rz is also a tangent now. Qz is also a tangent now. Therefore these lengths are equal now. Py is equal to yr is equal to rz is equal to qz na. Are you clear, Nana? All are equal na. So we know very well, in one circle these two sides are equal, then these angles are equal na. These angles are equal na. These angles are equal na. All of it clear, Nana? Say for example, this is x, this is also, this is x, this is also, this is a straight line na. This is a straight line na. Straight angle is 180 degrees. Straight angle is 180 degrees. This is x, this is x. Total 2x na. Therefore this angle is what? 180 minus 2x na. 180 minus 2x na. Similarly this is also 180 minus 180 minus. Are you clear, Nana? Now look at here, all of you. Look at here, all of you. This one is also 180 minus 2x na. Ever maatladaledu na. This is x na. This is x na. QYZ is a triangle na. Are you clear? Now if you observe YZX is also a triangle na. Then sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to what? 180 degrees na. 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2x plus 48 is equal to how much, Nana? 180. 180 get cancelled. This 2x comes to this side. This is 4x na. 180 plus 48 228 na. So 4 any times na. 4 5s are 4 7s are. X is equal to మనకు కావాల్సింది 180 minus 2x కదా. 180 minus 57 2s are 114. 57 2s are 180 minus 114 66. Your answer is 66. A simple rule for a single circle, if you draw n number of tangents, the lengths of tangents are equal. Shall I go for the next question, Anna? Sunita, who got 36% marks in an examination and failed by 22 marks. Anita got 54% of the marks, which were 50 marks above the pass mark. What is the percentage of pass marks? 36%, one person got, another person got 54%. Difference is 18% na. Difference is 18% na. 18%. One person failed the exam by 22 marks, another person got 50 marks more than pass mark. Minus 22 plus 50. Difference is 70. 18% is what? 72 na. All of it clear na. Then 1% is nothing but 4 marks na. 1% is nothing but 4 marks. See here, one student already, first student, Sunita got already 36% na. Sunita already got 36% na. Failed by 22 marks. That 22 marks is how much percentage? 4.5% na. Ever matters na. Sorry, 5.5%. 5.5%. No. 4 marks is 1%. 22 marks is nothing but 5.5% are na. 5 4 is 20. 4.5 times 2. Yes or na? Then pass marks are what? 41 point. So percentage of marks to pass is what? 41.5. Sir, why you are observing only first student? If you go for second student also, you will get the same answer. All of you clear, Nana? 36% of the marks already got. Still, she failed by 5.5. The percentage of marks required to pass is 41.5. The average speed of a train including stoppages was 102 km per hour, excluding stoppages 120 km per hour. How many minutes per hour does the train stop? Excluding stoppages is nothing but super fast express. Excluding, without stoppages, super fast, like Vande Bharat. Do you know Vande Bharat? And including stoppage is nothing but passenger. Passenger train, you know, na? But both are traveling same distance only. Say for example, Secunderabad to Tirupati, Vande Bharat Express lo velna, passenger train ekkina, Vande Bharat velte gaalla తీసుకెళ్ళి passenger velte భూమి మీద తీసుకెళ్తారు. ఏదైనా సరే అదే పట్టాల మీద వెళ్ళాలి. Same distance. Distance will be same. Whenever distance is same, speed and time are inversely proportional to each other. The speed ratio they given, that is 120 is to 102. 120 is to which table it was? చూస్తున్నారు. 120 102 ఏ టేబుల్లో క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతాయి? 6 టేబుల్లో క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతాయి. అవునా కదా? అవుతాయా అవ్వవా? 20 is to 17. 20 is to speeds are in the ratio 20 is to 17. Then times are in the ratio 17 is to 20. Express train taken 17 parts time, but ordinary train taken 20 parts time. Why 3 parts extra time? Stop that spent during the stoppages na 3 parts out of 20 parts. 3 by 20 na 3 by 20 na. They're asking per hour na into 60 na 23 are 3 3 are 9. Your answer is 9. బోర్డు మీద రాయాలా? తర్వాత కనిపించలేదంట. 120 102 20 రెండో టేబుల్తో ట్రై చేస్తారు కొంతమంది. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ క్లియర్ నానా? 6 టేబుల్ నానా. నెక్స్ట్ టైమ్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద రేషియో 17 is to inverse na. Inverse na. This is express, this is passenger. So how many parts extra passenger? 3. 3 by 20 parts. They're asking in terms of minutes. This is hours. That is the reason into 60. 23 hours, 3 3 hours 9. Are you ready? Ready Nana? See here. So whenever we got this type of radicants, see here all of you. 11 is not a multiple. If it is multiple, say for example, the question is like this: 30 plus under root of 30 plus that under root of 30, like this. Your answer is what? 5 into 6. Plus is there, 6 is the answer. If it is minus is there, 5 is the answer. But here 11 is not a consecutive multiple. Then we go for the procedure. So what is the formula Nana? 4a plus 1 plus or minus 1 by 2. Whenever this plus is there, how to take plus? Whenever here in between the radicants minus is there, you have to take minus. Here plus is there na? That is the reason we have to take plus. 4a. A is nothing but radicand value 11. 4a is nothing but 44 na. Plus 1 45 na. 45 you can written as 5 root 3. లేదంటే 3 root 5. Yes or not? 3 root 5. 3 comes to the under root 9 na. 9 to 5 45 only. So plus by 2. So your answer is what? Are you clear Nana? మీరు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రూట్ 30 అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 30 అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 30 అలా వచ్చినా ఆ 30ని ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? నెక్స్ట్ నానా కాకపోతే మనకు స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతే డైరెక్ట్ చేయడం బెటర్. స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ పాసిబుల్ లేనప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఇలా చేస్తాం. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 19. A trader marks his goods at 37.5% above its cost price and allows 2 successive discounts of 1020. The cost price of the article is 4,000. If he gives a single discount 25, then instead of 2 discounts, then find how much amount to sell the gain or loss that. If you okay, I will explain directly. Are you ready? Very good. See here. 37.5% above the Cost of the price na? Clear na? 4,000 na? 37.5 is nothing but 3 by 8 na? 12.5 is nothing but 1 by 8. 37.5 is nothing but 3 by 8. 3 by 8 of 4,000, 1,500. It becomes 5,500. MRP will be 5,500. You are giving 10 and 20 two successive discounts. Now 10 or 20 two successive discounts will be equivalent to 28% of single discount na? Instead of giving 10 or 20, if you give 28, that will be equivalent na? Amma, take 100, 10% discount is nothing but 10, remaining is 90. 20% of 90, 18. 18 no, previous is 10, total 28 na? Don't take that type of calculation. Directly 10 to 8. First case is 28, second case is 25. Then difference is how much na? 3% na? 3% and 5,500 is nothing but 165 na? 1% is 55, 3% is 165. Your answer is 165. Are you clear? 4,000 on a cost price na? 3 by 8. 37.5 is nothing but 3 by 8. 3 by 8 of 4,000 is nothing but 1,500. That is nothing but 5,000. Two successive discounts. 10 no? 10 no 20. Two successive discounts will be equivalent to single discount of 28. Instead of giving 25, instead of giving 28, if you give 25, you are getting 3% profit na? That 3% is on 5,500. Are you clear nana? Your answer is 165. ఒకవేళ 25 ఇవ్వాల్సింది 28 ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, అప్పుడు 165 లాస్. ఇక్కడ ఏంది 28 ఇవ్వాల్సింది 25 ఇస్తున్నాడు. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ 3% గెయిన్. దట్ 3% is on how much discount you are giving, that much profit you are getting. ఓకేనా? మీరు అడగొచ్చు సార్, ప్రాఫిట్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ మీద కదా సార్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేది, మీరేం సార్ ఎంఆర్పీ మీద క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తారనవచ్చు. ఇది 3% అనేది ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంట్ కాదు, డిస్కౌంట్. డిస్కౌంట్ దేని మీద క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం? మీరు డిస్కౌంట్ కస్టమర్కి ఇవ్వకపోతే దట్ ఈస్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఫర్ యూనా. షల్ ఐ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్? See here, the average age of father, mother and son is how much? Father, mother, son together is what? 75. 25 is average. The age of the son after 12 years. Son age after 12 years is 15 years less than the present age of the father. Therefore, father minus son is equal to 27. The sum of the father and son is 43. 43. Yes, father and son is 43. Father and son is 43. If you observe, father and son is 43. Remaining is mother na? Mother is how much? Tell me. Mother 30, 32. Subtract 43 from 75. Mother is 32. Now they are asking difference between the age of father and mother. We need to find out father. Now son get cancelled na? That is nothing but how much? 70 ya? Then father is 35. Father is, then difference is, so son get cancelled. 2 times of father is equal 70, father is equal 35. Are you clear? Mother is 32. Difference is. Thank you all of you.